Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the gear that helps you get the job done. Today, we're featuring what we consider the best gardening gloves on the market right now. The WZQH leather work gloves in coffee gray, size large. These gloves aren't just good, they're built for serious work, and by the end of this video, you'll see why they deserve that title. Let's start with what makes these gloves stand out immediately: the materials and the build. The gloves are made of 100% split cowhide leather, which gives them superior abrasion resistance, puncture protection, and heat tolerance. Inside, they're 100% cotton lined, giving your hands breathable comfort even during long hours of tough labor. Whether you're welding, gardening, or working construction, these gloves offer the kind of dual comfort and protection you rarely find in one product. And it's not just the materials. The design is well thought out. The reinforced palm section adds an extra layer of defense where you need it most, right where pressure and wear usually take their toll first. The adjustable wrist not only ensures a snug fit, but also keeps out debris, dirt, and those pesky plant thorns that always seem to find their way inside cheaper gloves. Also, the interior is designed so it doesn't dye your hands when they get sweaty. A small but thoughtful touch that shows attention to detail. These gloves are truly multifunctional. From gardening to welding, chainsaw use, farm and ranch chores, or even driving a truck, these gloves are ready. Need something for DIY home projects or landscaping? They've got you covered. Moving firewood or handling a hot stove? No problem. The heat resistance means they can stand up to high temperature tasks like tending a fireplace or grill. And still handle thorny roses or wild blackberry bushes without flinching. Durability is a major plus. Whether you're pruning citrus trees, pulling weeds with stinging nettle, or trimming back bougainvillea, these gloves are tough enough to handle it all without tearing or letting anything through. They're also resistant to oil and flames, making them just as valuable in the workshop as they are in the backyard. The aesthetic is another quiet win. Coffee gray isn't just stylish, it hides dirt and grime better than your typical yellow or brown gloves. So even after weeks of use, they'll look as professional as they feel. That makes them a great gift, too. Whether it's for a gardener, a welder, a carpenter, or someone just getting started in DIY work. And let's talk sizing. With 6 options ranging from extra small to XX large, WZQH ensures there's a fit for everyone. The pair we tested was a large, and the fit was excellent, snug but flexible, protective without being restrictive. That's something we don't say lightly about heavy-duty gloves. WZQH also backs their product with a satisfaction guarantee. So if anything doesn't live up to expectations, you can reach out directly and they'll make it right. It's a strong statement of confidence, and one we appreciate when buying gear designed for rugged use. So, who is this for? It's for the serious gardener, the weekend welder, the all-around do-it-yourselfer. If you want gloves that are comfortable, tough, good-looking, and ready for just about any job you throw at them, these are the gloves to get. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more hands-on gear reviews, and drop a comment if you've used these gloves or have other favorites you want us to test. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.